What is the purpose of a savings account? A. Obtaining a mortgage loan. B. Earning interest on deposits. C. Making day-to-day transactions. D. Paying bills online. B. Earning interest on deposits. According to the Census of India 2011, the female literacy rate was recorded as A. 75.35%, B. 65.46%, C. 55.84%, D. 70.24%, B. 65.46%. Which of the following crops is most suitable for black soil? A. Soybean. B. Maize. C. Cotton. D. Barley. C. Cotton. In India, the Aus, Aman and Boro terms are associated with which crop from the following? A. Wheat. B. Gram. C. Sugarcane. D. Paddy. D. Paddy. The President of India conferred the Padma Shri Award to Gurcharan Singh for his distinguished service in the field of in 202. C. A. Tennis. B. Cricket. C. Football. D. Badminton. B. Cricket. Who moved the resolution proposing that the national flag of India be a horizontal tricolor of saffron, white and dark green in equal proportion? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. In which of the following states was the first Janjatiya Khel Mahotsav held? A. Odisha. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Jharkhand. D. Andhra Pradesh. A. Odisha. Identify the Indian singer who sang the song Eki Mere Watan Ke Logo Zara Aankhon Mein Bhar Lo Pani before the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. A. Lata Mangeshkar. B. Mohammad Rafi. C. Mukesh. D. Asha Bhosle. A. Lata Mangeshkar. Which regulatory body in India is responsible for overseeing and regulating microfinance institutions? A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SCBI. B. Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. C. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. D. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. C. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Who among the following was the Viceroy of India at the time of India's independence from colonial rule on 15 August 1947? A. Lord Wavell. B. Lord Willingdon. C. Lord Mountbatten. D. Lord Linlithgow. C. Lord Mountbatten. Which of the following is the legislative organ of the Union Government? A. Cabinet. B. Supreme Court. C. Executive. D. Parliament. D. Parliament. Due to rapid urbanization, the human lifestyle has changed severely. Obesity is a major health issue in such condition. Which of the following is a reason for obesity? A. Excessive consumption of water. B. Excessive intake of high-calorie foods. C. Lack of protein. D. Lack of vitamins in regular diet. B. Excessive intake of high-calorie foods. Who won the Best Playback Singer, Male award in the 68th Filmfare Awards 2023? A. Mohit Chauhan. B. Shan. C. Arijit Singh. D. Amit Mishra. C. Arijit Singh. Where was Sri Narayana Dharma Pariplana Yogam founded? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Telangana. B. Kerala. Who is the renowned Kathak dancer, student of Pandit Birju Maharaj, and also served as an officer with Indian Audit and Accounts Services? A. Sonal Mansingh. B. Guru Bipin Singh. C. Shobna Narayan. D. Padma Subramaniam. C. Shobna Narayan. Shama Bhate received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2021 given in February 2023 for her contribution to which dance form of the following? A. Manipuri. B. Kathak. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Mohiniyattam. B. Kathak. Which of the following Indus Valley sites is now located in Pakistan? A. Harappa. B. Lothal. C. Alamgirpur. D. Kalibangar. A. Harappa. In April 2023, Satvik Shiraj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty made history, becoming the first Indian men's doubles pair to win a gold medal at the Badminton Asia Championships. Where was this championship held? A. Singapore. B. Dubai. C. Qatar. D. Malaysia. B. Dubai. Which of the following states has introduced a dedicated semiconductor policy 2022-27 with a view to generate at least 2 lakhs new employment opportunities in the state? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Kerala. C. Gujarat. The classical dance style of Bharatanatyam belongs to the state of A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Assam. D. Rajasthan. B. Tamil Nadu. Which of the following peninsular rivers of India is a west-flowing river? A. Kaveri. B. Narmada. C. Godavari. D. Krishna. B. Narmada. Which articles of the Constitution of India deal with the Union and its territory? A. Articles 5 to 11. B. Articles 1 to 4. C. Articles 12 to 35. D. Article 36 to 51. B. Articles 1 से 4. The Great Indian Novel is a satirical novel by A. Suryakant Tripathi, B. K.R. Narayan, C. Munshi Premchand, D. Shashi Tharoor. D. Shashi Tharoor. What is the systematic name of a colorless gas with a faint, ethereal odor called acetylene, widely used for welding? A. Ethine. B. Ethanol anhydride. C. Azoethane. D. Ethyl acetate. A. Ethine. Identify the correct pair of novel and its writer from the following. A. Seven Summers, Mulk Raj Anand. B. The White Tiger, Kiran Desai. C. A Suitable Boy, Amitabh Ghosh. D. The Inheritance of Loss, Arvind Adiga. A. Seven Summers, Mulk Raj Anand. Who propounded the concept of rule of law? A. A.V. Dicey. B. C.K. Daftery. C. Austin. D. A.K. Singh. A. A.V. Dicey. In which state is Vijay Stambh situated? A. Rajasthan. B. Punjab. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Gujarat. A. Rajasthan. Which state passed a bill for the protection of advocates and became the first state to do so? A. Punjab. B. Rajasthan. C. Haryana. D. Himachal Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. Chauite, Buckminster fullerene and graphene are related to which element? A. Arsenic. B. Carbon. C. Sulfur. D. Bromine. B. Carbon. Who is credited with the establishment of Servants of India Society? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C. M. G. Ranade. D. C. R. Das. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The value of all final goods and services produced within the country during 1 year is known as A. Gross National Product. B. Net National Product. C. Gross Domestic Product. D. Net Domestic Product. C. Gross Domestic Product. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? A. N. S. Reddy. B. G. V. Mavlankar. C. Ananthasayanam Iyengar. D. Meera Kumar. B. G. V. Mavlankar. The Story of My Experiments with Truth is an autobiography of A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Vivekanand. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the music director of the famous film Sholay released in 1975? A. Madan Mohan. B. Jatin Lalit. C. Nadeem Shravan. D. R. D. Burman. D. R. D. Burman. The technique of classical dancing was codified by in about the 8th century BC. A. Sudraka. B. Bharatha. C. Chanakya. D. Kalhana. B. Bharatha. Who among the following is the author of the novel Animal Farm? A. Thomas Hardy. B. George Orwell. C. Roald Dahl. D. Charles Dickens. B. George Orwell. Who among the following is credited with starting a fusion dance form called High Dance? A. Shashadhar Acharya. B. Uday Shankar. C. Kartik Ram. D. Mani Damodara. B. Uday Shankar. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following states has the lowest population? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Manipur. D. Mizoram. A. Sikkim. The Lambadi dance is a folk dance form of the tribe and originated in Andhra Pradesh. A. Sugli. B. Banjara. C. Nakkala. D. Dabba Yerukula. B. Banjara. In which of the following years was the Child Marriage Restraint Act passed? A. 1856. B. 1947. C. 1878. D. 1929. D. 1929. What is the main reason behind the substantial rainfall during summer on the western coasts of India? A. Western Ghats. B. Eastern Winds. C. Indus River. D. Eastern Ghats. A. Western Ghats. The second edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2019 was organized in which city? A. Pune. B. Guwahati. C. New Delhi. D. Mumbai. A. Pune. ACF conferred Grandmaster with Player of the Year award, who is only the 6th Indian to break the 2700 ELO rating mark and the youngest Grandmaster from the country to be rated above 2700. A. N.R. Vignesh. B. Adit Khan. C. Koshi Varugise. D. D. Gukesh. D. D. Gukesh. Which condition causes bone pain, poor growth, and soft, weak bones that can lead to bone deformities? A. Rickets. B. Cerebral palsy. C. Pertussis. D. Asplenia. A. Rickets. In which Indian musician's name did the state of Massachusetts in the USA declare 20th April in 1984 as a day in his name? A. Brij Narayan. B. Ali Akbar Khan. C. Rajiv Tarnath. D. Amjad Ali Khan. D. Amjad Ali Khan. Which of the following is an advantage of microfinance institutions in India? A. Limited impact on poverty reduction. B. Increased reliance on informal lending sources. C. Minimal support for women entrepreneurs. D. Enhanced financial inclusion. D. Enhanced financial inclusion. Which of the following statements about Mahatma Gandhi is incorrect? A. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869 in Porbandar. B. In 1942, he launched the Quit India movement. C. He led the Champaran Satyagraha in 1910. D. He led the Dandi Salt March in 1930. C. He led the Champaran Satyagraha in 1910. Which university won the first place in the third Khelo India University Games? A. University of Mumbai. B. Punjab University. C. Shivaji University. D. University of Madras. B. Punjab University. In which of the following states of India is the maximum extent of alluvial soil found? A. Telangana. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh. The port was developed after independence to ease the volume of trade on the Mumbai port. A. Kandla. B. Kolkata. C. Chennai. D. Vishakhapatnam. A. Kandla. In which year did the Battle of Buxar take place? A. 1764 CE. B. 1769 CE. C. 1757 CE. D. 1761 CE. A. 1764 CE. Which article of the Indian Constitution mandates that the state should protect every monument or place of artistic or historic interest? A. Article 39A. B. Article 50. C. Article 49. D. Article 48A. C. Article 49. To mark the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti, the celebrates it as International Day of Nonviolence. A. United Nations. B. BRICS nations. C. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. D. Group of 20. A. United Nations. Alarmil Valli is a dancer. A. Bharatnatyam. B. Odissi. C. Kuchipudi. D. Kathak. A. Bharatnatyam. Which of the following is an example of a microfinance institution, MFI, in India? A. State Bank of India. SBI. B. Bandhan Bank. C. ICICI Bank. D. HDFC Bank. B. Bandhan Bank. Which of the following is an autobiography by Mahatma Gandhi? A. The Story of My Experiments with Truth. B. My Truth. C. Matters of Discretion. D. My Country, My Life. A. The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Which of the following has initiated the Village Defence Guards scheme to instill a sense of self-protection and ensure the safety and security of villages and infrastructural installations in and around the villages? A. Ladakh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Rajasthan. C. Jammu and Kashmir. The Sirpur Shrine is situated in which of the following states? A. Odisha. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Bihar. C. Chhattisgarh. Which of the following factors does not affect the climate of India? A. Altitude. B. Longitude. C. Latitude. D. Winds. B. Longitude. What is the common name for a saturated solution of calcium hydroxide widely used as a raw material in the chemical industry? A. Slaked lime. B. Calomel. C. Burnt lime. D. Limestone. A. Slaked lime. Who among the following singers is from Andhra Pradesh? A. Usha Uthup. B. Asha Bhosle. C. Alka Yagnik. D. S. Janki. D. S. Janki. Who led the Congress in the second round table conference held in London? A. Annie Besant. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Mahatma Gandhi. According to the Census of India 2011, which state has the second highest sex ratio? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Assam. D. Bihar. B. Tamil Nadu. Factor cost is also known as A. Market cost. B. Expatriate cost. C. Input cost. D. Output cost. C. Input cost. Which cell found in the bone marrow acts as a repair system for the body? A. Bone cells. B. Fat cells. C. Muscle cells. D. Stem cells. D. Stem cells. Which of the following is a famous folk dance of Rajasthan? A. Chandlo. B. Daskathiya. C. Kalbelia. D. Palajatra. C. Kalbelia. When was the first general election for Lok Sabha held in India? A. 1950 से 51, B. 1949 से 50, C. 1948 से 49, D. 1951 से 52, D. 1951 से 52. Who among the following female singers has been felicitated with the Bharat Ratna? A. Usha Uthup, B. Lata Mangeshkar, C. Asha Bhosle, D. Vani Jaira. B. Lata Mangeshkar. Which of the following states of India is the first to receive rainfall from the southwest monsoon? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Telangana, D. Rajasthan. B. Kerala. Which famous Indian danceuse became the first woman to be nominated as a member of Rajya Sabha? A. Rukmini Devi Arundale, B. Kamala Kumari, C. Sitara Devi, D. Meenalini Sarabhai. A. Rukmini Devi Arundale. Which of the following is a famous novel written by Munshi Premchand? A. Gunaho Ka Devta, B. Kitne Pakistan, C. Rag Darbari, D. Godar. D. Godar. India played in the finals of the 2023 World Test Championship against Australia. Where was this match conducted? A. Dubai, B. London, C. Kolkata, D. Sydney. B. London. D. Gukesh was awarded Player of the Year award in March 2002. C. He plays which sport? A. Snooker, B. Boxing, C. Badminton, D. Chess. D. Chess. According to the Ministry of Textile 2022-23, which state is the second largest producer of cotton? A. Maharashtra, B. Bihar, C. Gujarat, D. Madhya Pradesh. A. Maharashtra. In which of the following states was the final of the 2023 Intercontinental Cup Football Championship held? A. Maharashtra, B. Telangana, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. D. Odisha.